Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on MSI Cyborg 15. To do it, go to the settings. Now in the settings you can simply go to Personalization, Background, and then you'll see Personalize your background. You can set it to Windows Spotlight, which will automatically set a view that Microsoft decides is a view for you to set on the wallpaper, just a randomized one, and it'll automatically get changed from time to time. Then you can also set it to Picture and set it from either Recent Images or just browse for photos and select one from your drive, so you can find one like in your screenshots, for example, or in downloads or somewhere else, of course. Then you can also choose a fit for your desktop image. You can adjust those. So the fill one will just scale the image so it actually fills the whole screen, but some of its elements may be cut off if it has a different aspect ratio than your laptop screen. Then fit will actually make the full image not be cut off. You can set it to stretch, so also the image won't be cut off, but if it's in a different aspect ratio it will be stretched. Another thing is tile. If like for example the image is very small, then there will be several ones next to each other, like tiles in a bathroom. And center will just make that image in its actual resolution on the center, so sometimes it may have borders, sometimes it may be cut off from all sides. Then span, I don't really know what it does, it just is there. It's similar to fill. Then you also have solid color and you can set it. Then slideshow, and you can set a folder that will be displayed. Then you can change the picture changing interval, enable or disable shuffling the picture order, and letting slideshow run even on battery power. And you can also choose a fit for your desktop image, the same as you would on your picture. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.